Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is our full spectrum light. So this is created by Spirit Shack. So you have three very bright LED bulbs. You have the power switch on and off at the top. You have the hot shoe mount at the bottom, and also the 1/4" female thread. So you can attach this directly to most cameras and video cameras due to the hot shoe mount. If you've got like a rig that holds your microphone and camera, it will also attach to that. And you can just stand this on one of the small tripods or the big tripods. To power it, it takes 4 AA batteries, or you can use the supplied USB cable and plug it directly into the USB battery pack, whatever you prefer. So basically, a normal light doesn't give off infrared and ultraviolet, and spirits often appear in infrared and ultraviolet. So without the full spectrum light, they can't be seen. So to get the full benefit of this light, we also recommend a full spectrum camera as well. So if you've got a full spectrum camera and the full spectrum light, not only are you going to see things, or catch things that are in the human visible range, you're also going to catch things that appear in the ultraviolet and infrared range as well. So I will give you a quick demonstration, but obviously I've got lights on, it's daytime, and we've got a standard camera, so it's not going to pick up the infrared and ultraviolet. So it will be a lot brighter when you're using it with a full spectrum camera. Yes, that's how it looks. Because of the ultraviolet, because it's partly visible to the human eye cameras, not standard cameras, it does have a purple tint to it. So you will always have the purple tint. But we've caught so many misfigures and shadow men using this with a full spectrum camera. So if you like one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.